We'll guide you through how to cancel your Wix account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. Then select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. On the Account Settings page, scroll down until you find the option labeled Subscriptions. Click on it to view all your active subscriptions. Locate the subscription you wish to cancel and click on Manage Plan. You'll see an option to cancel plan there. Click on it and follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Wix will ask for a reason for your cancellation, so select the one that best applies to your situation. After selecting, click Continue to proceed. You might be offered some incentives to stay, but if you're sure about canceling, just click Cancel Now. Remember that canceling your plan does not automatically delete your account or website, so if you want to completely remove your presence from Wix, you'll need to delete your account as well. To do this, go back to the account settings, and this time, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Account Status. Here, you can choose to deactivate your account. Follow the prompts to complete the process. Keep in mind that once you deactivate your account, you will lose access to all your data, so make sure to back up anything important beforehand. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.